Nirmala kan yamwe kan yene diala kon de len kala gwasa me kan online tv kun yal posia ka ye bosa te kon ga jom bana len gwasa me kan kono nyam an wala e shanga bakkel ka pay bakkel ron kina dangraw widi jan dangraw widi diech man bana len gwasa me dera ku politician tin kontin ci shun kel kan wari ka jan gwasa me muray kone politician dial ne diala tini shikan le chonka ne ken la shun ran ka ku party kade loken kelo yali ka pad ne ken shikan le gwine ne ken tin kontin chuch ko shikan gorno kan ba ka level o kan shung kan ken la kan shung jo pad ne ken. Politics is deeply tribal. Many politicians prioritize ethnic loyalty, political alliance or party survival over justice or speaking out against suffering even when it affects their own people. Politicians di altel ram dier kaneten kontila neka ko guje jan go rum shunga neka baje wire kumaka. Some Nuer politicians remain silent to stay in good standing with the ruling SPLM or self-care government. They fear being removed, arrested or losing influence if they speak out against injustice. Nuetu ngan panken rekum ka kirma yadit ne de kontela siasin chicken gorno and go right ko ken chicken gorno ba ko wika kum SPLM dwal ken ke selpa kima yadi ko do badana de ko wika je dwal ken ko ba ko woy dwal ken ko ba ka yen dwal ken lon ko bran ba je were kum ka jana dong chilet ka gwam ba tire kum ka mi jini lebe tok do chengna men nakane ku la bidi logo jeno ba je ngajen o jin ne ku nakake cha de gorno ba jodu ba je ling jena dana to ko tama mena dien dwaran ko dong runde rande je watch. Speaking out especially in defense of the Nuer during conflict can lead to government targeting political isolation or even assassination. Aja news gwan wone na hen politician mo mi chon kel ka nek chet ka politician Nuer mi chula ri jenu ngum nak yen Nuer ka jamo ngum cheng yen Nuer je ka jamo dong de je gorno jen ba jen jen politician mo jen do badana dwal ka politician Nuer. Many remember what happened to those who openly challenged self-care or call out military. They were silent, jailed or silenced. Ne tungwan ngeken medane shalat me chakin me yadi ta jogono jin me lade mo me je ka long wan gwasa mo chune to chuga kep ko chuga yan ka doje ka kala da kare ti jen ngai kon manana to tinai tu ngwana long antama te ka blue house ne tu ngwan long chuch ka long antama ka blue house jen gwada dana yan ka ne dialten. Some politicians even Nuer one put their personal ambition or wealth above the suffering of their own people. Politician Nuer dial gor ka no bikaryang chicken dier ka ta danan jeng Nuer ya bech chicken dier ka ta danan liuga Nuer chicken dier ka don Nuer manana daga ne shanga wer ka ne shangder boga dana boga ka kare nyale ta dana naka ka kirma yadi ka jano te ka kel ka kirma yadi nen kan turne ken video ne ken ne shanga social media telemlet kana dwalken we kan position ne ken kwere ken no bumne ken long kana ga dana naka na chicken gor no de kan tuken de ken kala ti shal ka personal ambition over community pain a chen chu community ba chicken dieten ken ni shirkati ti ken ni tedi ken ni jak ken diere ken ka family ne ken as long as their families are safe and they keep their government job they look the other way ngekran go tere kwere take a position ngeje no gat ke take kon mu gwam sham kana to kare dang ne to go mas kan piti go sham ken man plan sham ken ring sham kan kwanda go la sham ke torone ching te ga gan wer mu dien mi chu chicken bi dier ka ja ching te ga gan wer ko ken na ka chicken bi dier ka ka chicken man ngai ko nan tama gan werin tama ga jen gwas me shushke mi kono kon ko fan gak mi kono kon ka nasir mi kono ma yom de ko nenen go shushke longan gan wer politician ti chicken di dundo dier kan ka gat ken kono te ka ka nene je gat ken chicken de rei duan were randien ka win to goal who can yo rem Nuer ku kan gala sham kwan manaka Nuer tin Nuer leaders are often deeply divided. Internal division among Nuer politicians ngai kona Nuer shu ka kam ken nier karodian kwar konten kon la kwan Nuer shu kan chan jamen guch ku ma spela yo charoda da take a spela yo kid gwang take a government aligned faction ala government in opposition ke government in government ne konen shun kel ga kirma yadi. This division weaken any unified voice for the Nuer cause eme yere Nuer jaga Nuer kan edita lot woken kwar ken ku la te kel kan edita kona nakake de karodian we pardon we bonnet nakana Nuer kake gwan mitela malten gwan mitela yuntin kenedi ti shalga ti politician chikana dier kana da dier ran kamandan becham ka position dan tetin chikana dier ka tin ko kena kontin je ka bech eneken kala kan promise na te bang la kan kalat bugaro yai ka yan to goal benena malat ka chikan ka bulalet. When there's no unity, politicians avoid taking strong stand and blame others or wait for someone else to act. Panke la nyet karodian ran wenga ka musha na malada baroda pel kujen wajen take a bomb marian gwasa me telegram take. Since South Sudanese suffering especially in rural area is underreported, there is later pressure on leader to act. The media and international community often ignore these stories unless there is a major crisis. Without exposure, politicians can pretend the problem doesn't exist. Menen yana matema ko tele media no wante lat katin jegren kon lat karuri re dwan wer dawine kan politician wer siasin te ramju kan no melejen mo meja ajen bit ka jen dan shush kan nueri ko ken chak joko no mele jena mo media na me cha jeling netin konti la international community tele media ande roke kwidian cha shinkene jero kon let ken ke chak let chak nyuna na me jena dana nang nueri ka jena dana jego politician the silence of politician when the Nuer suffer is not accidental and we should nueri ka kan politician nueri na me shi mbe bang ke be lora bang. It is a combination of cowardice, complicity and the failure of leadership, but it also shows the need for strong, brave and moral grounded leader, one who put their people first, not their position. And ta to kan politician nueri ti go jen wo ken panken ba ka laro ken quicken mandana let ken chika longor la kwar ken chika good leader ko chika tede chika fail mande ken let ken che boy telam let ken gor ken kwa ken tin kon sham ken ka duno ne to kont lan wer gor ken ram mo de der ke tek dien chikan bo gor ram mo goro bo ngak ba ka cham ba ka nang dora ka rwada ku gat ko ken tek ku ganen ko ken ku le chu ram chit ka mo chero lot ko de je gor nueri ja che rodun nueri wake up bi shanga je ka to ga tamare nueri politician de ti chika ne to go politician de ti ken de kon na ko ken gor ken mo wake cham ken kwaktin kon de non kon la nueri nyana sho dana me mushu kone de kona parwich ram der parwich me no gwadi ajora ram duar naka gat kona men kon mane kon gwane kon doran wanka je wanje parwich che chongno de kona parwich bomna rodan ko bana gwantera me men kon ko werkan cheng deren banje gujeno chikon nyinga chikon be parwich gwada tin ke gwada nyam bana rodan luang ka bana tin kone de kona gor ko de ko dan chul ke de ter de naga jaga ya to go ko kon ko de kon gwantera de kona joche de nyu doran ngaje kel any politician ke siasin mi ci der ke tik dan kon wore awu yode doran a ci chul doran a ci nyu doran am politician ram der ke tik nuere let kon ga to go ko run be kon parwich naga kon te metel ram ro keke ci roda gos ne bonni cham ken ko tin kontin wokeke gat ken ka dul gore ka gat ci dul gore ka gat ken tike gat ken ke sef gat kon gwada me liuke ku kale sham ne rim nuere shana char ka do ba dande kon nyam ke je politician ti tele mo gambe kan let ka kon gore no jin bi do dienen be bi jeguch ya te ka mal